Nothing is more fun than Deka strong teams. We'll give you the rules and some tips on how to put up an awesome time.
As we're about to begin, Jess at her station. She's going to do all the lunges. I'm going to get into the rower, strap in, and get ready. Once she tags me, when she finishes her 30 lunges, I can start my row.
27, 28, 29, 30.
Tag!
Now, if he's rowing, I'm going to get ready on the box because I'm going next on the box.
30, 500. I'm resting on Justin's relax. Again, sit-ups.
19, 20, 23, 24, 25.
Tag.
Because we're sharing, and we're really close to him. We're going to decide to have this on one side so that way it's a quicker handoff. On your left.
All right, Jeff, one more pull. Here. I took 30 seconds. Jess is going to take 30 seconds. And then I'm going to jump back on so she can move over to partner. I'm up. 25, 500.
What are you going to do?
Yeah. Well, Jess is doing her partner start. I'm allowed to sit on the bike. I can't start the screen or anything because I feel on the pegs. You're going to come back. Yeah. 24, 25.
Stop.
Always call that. You have to make sure we're going to do the women's weights and not do the men's weights. In this situation, we're not switching either the weights for the partners sit-ups or the kettlebells.
When we switch for the tank, we are responsible for changing the resistance. Not a judge, no one else, just us. So in Kevin's done, if he wants to do a switch, we have to change it to 2 or back up to 3 for him.
Justin, come in. We're switching. We got the 2. Justin, I'm going to top 3. That's what you got.
Yep.
Okay. All right, so that's how you split up second teams. Scrub. Good shot.
Have fun.